friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. We are working on a beautiful project called Tahoe and we are doing a quilt along. I am so glad you're joining us in. For last 20 some days we have been making beautiful diamonds and today I'm gonna show you how to make diamond number 22. Number 22. It is so pretty. You may be looking at the diamond and it look familiar because we're repeating the fabrics through different diamonds. But guess what? 8 more diamonds and you're gonna add into your stash, and then we only have 2 more diamond designs and we are done with our diamonds. Can you imagine this? I'm so excited for you guys. I have prepared my strip sets right here. Notice how beautiful they are. They're pressed and gorgeous. I open my seams in the back. If you want more directions on the strip sets, just watch that first video. All the basic directions. You line your strips, you sew them together, you use a smaller stitch, you open the seam in the middle. Super simple, over and over repeating the same thing. Now our strip sets we have cut into 1.5 inch, and I already did that for you guys because I am so excited. I really cannot wait to finish all the diamonds and start sewing the quilt. It's gonna be so beautiful. I always cut my sets and lay them in front of me before I start sewing. I usually will have 8 of each stack on the top because I love doing chain sewing, repeating over and over what I'm doing. Right now, I think you should be at that point that you can allow yourself little chain sewing because things will go faster and you don't have to be so particular and pay attention because you now have good experience. But still pay attention that if there are seams that needs to be matched, you do that by placing your pieces right sides together, pinning those special points where the diamonds transition, stitching it really nice, flipping it open, and then making sure that the seam is open on the back. I'm gonna sew those 2 units together and those 2 together, then finish by sewing all 4 together. Now I have it already done it for you guys. Look how pretty this look how nice my diamonds are coming. And I have to tell you, when I first started making the samples, making everything for the quilt alone, it was a little rusty. I had to get back into the groove. You really need to allow yourself some time. So don't be hard on yourself. Keep going. And guess what? When you finish your diamonds, make sure you press, put a ruler on. If you need to trim it a little bit, squirt things up, so be it. But don't give up. I know you can do it. You just need a little bit more practice. And this quilt alone for sure give you great practice for diamonds. This is our diamond 22 and I look forward to do diamond 23 with you next time I see you. If you're just joining us in, make sure you go visit our website. We have beautiful kits, we have patterns, we have all these wonderful bundles of fabrics that you can use, and you can choose your own color combinations if you would like to for this beautiful Tahoe quilt. And I am so thankful you guys doing a quilt along with me. It is so much fun to quilt with you. Happy quilting, and I see you next time for another gorgeous diamond.